indicator that we are running a little too hot. Almost the last ones in the parking lot today. Almost. We have arrived. Alright, here we go. Day 4, run 1.
Kevin Barton in the 65 Mustang.
Hell yeah, brother. You're on the Want Filter Productions channel.
Sorry about that, brother. Here you go.
No worries, thanks. Boy, that scared the shit out of me.
That is a set your own index category similar to a bracket. In the rear of the right lane.
God damn it!
That is a set your own index category.
Moment that I got up to the line, my clutch went soft.
We have a lot of guys asking for a gasser class. We didn't have a whole lot of gassers in it. It was 3 or 4. They promised me that they would bring a fleet of them if we created a gasser category. So Mosier Engineering stepped up, sponsored the class, and sure enough, we've got about a dozen of them.
Alright, so some struggles as you just saw. Basically, I think the clutch line is too close to the header. You may or may not be able to see it way down there. It's basically right down there. There's a plastic sheathing that Tick puts on these that actually melted off, so that's a good indicator that we're running a little hot. So what I got here is some fire sleeve. It's a fiberglass stuff. It works good on all the plugs, so I'm assuming we're good here, but it's super hot right now, so I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. We're gonna throw that on there. I'm gonna bleed the clutch again. I'm gonna see if somebody can go get me some DOT 5.1. So Dean Rock was telling me that they run 5.1 in their clutch because they were having issues as well. So that may be the fix, but nothing else. The heat shrink should probably help, or the heat wrap should probably help. All right, I am smushed underneath the car. There is the indicator that we are running a little too hot. So we have some heat tubing on. We're gonna try and get it in there. This other one here is the feed line off of the master cylinder. I'm gonna split some of this and try and cover that as well. See if we can get some protection on there. All right, so here we are. This is the feed line, and above it, this one here is the bleeder line. They're both wrapped. This one I couldn't get on, so I had to safety wire it. I would say I'm not that mad at it. I think that's pretty good, all things considered, for a field repair. So we're gonna bleed it and hope that it works. Off we go. You know, I'm not an expert, but I don't think it's supposed to be that color. That doesn't look like brake fluid. That looks bad. So we're gonna swap that out.
All right, we got this. Kick some ass.
Hilarious, I can hear your brakes all the way up here.
I hate them so much.
Have you do another burnout?
Should I shut my car off or let it run?
Shut it off. Was that a good burnout or no?
I'd like another whack at it, but we'll see.
Well, when he comes back, tell him to just do the hand spin signal and he'll let you go back.
Is that normal? Is that like what people would normally do in this situation?
Yes, especially if they didn't get a good burnout.
Please don't be afraid to give
It's looking good, they're coming back.
But it's a very cool company that provides a great service to our racers.
Okay. Parking brake on 2 clicks.
All right, here we go. So this is our second run. So I went ahead and bled the clutch, like I said, and put heat shrink on everything, or heat. I keep calling it heat shrink. Heat protection on it. We got Stephanie next to us, hoping to get a good race so we can both get out of here. Your emergency brake off.
Sure is.
Burnout.
Those are my parents.
Are they? Oh,
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, they're awesome.
Yeah.
felt good.
Yeah, it felt good. For some reason, I was thinking it was 8th mile. I didn't even shift in a 4th. I'm an idiot.
Whoops, 8. And see, then I just casually try.
Okay, it's still a good pass for me.
Okay, good. Yeah, I'm hoping I got in the 11s. I started off slow, but then I was hauling ass, so hopefully I'm okay.
No, I don't think so. I think it was 12.
Did your car spin?
For some reason, I'm having a hard time getting off the line today, specifically. I feel like I don't know if I'm spinning or if it just is slow. I don't know.
Well, these cars will pull power when the car is hot, and it is pretty hot out, so it's entirely possible that it's just pulling power on you.
Okay, now that was at least a bit, but it felt good. Hopefully not how bad it's pretty fast. It felt
Well, I always want to end on a good one. Thank you. Wow, mine was really close. 12.6 for her. At 120 though. Interesting. 60 foot was right on, 1.5. 8th mile, 6.8. Better than I did yesterday. Yeah, thank you. I'm actually kind of surprised. I think it's just the heat, because I think your intake is pulling right in front of your radiator.
Yeah.
So it's probably just pulling timing because of the heat.
Okay.
So I was bleeding the clutch, and then somebody started talking to me probably, and I totally forgot that I left the wrench under the hood. But there used to be 2, now there's only 1, which means it's probably on the track somewhere, or it's possibly in the engine bay. I'm not really sure. Cool, I got 1 back, but the other one's a gear wrench. I really like that one. Or I did. It's so hot though. Yeah. That's weird. Okay. We're gonna go look for it. I'd say it's probably like 85, 90 degrees out here. This lady's laying on the ground with her beautiful hair all over the ground. Just being a champion. Just helping me do stuff. Changing out my intake. Love it. Thanks.
Found it on the track.
Found it.
Oh my goodness. This is mine?
Yep.
Yes! Gear wrench, 7/16. Nice. I actually need this because I only brought 1 of these, so this is great. Sweet, thank you.
Hey, thank them.
One of the wrenches left in the engine bay.
Whatever. You never
Found
make
on the
mistakes.
track.
You never make mistakes.
On the track.
Well, yeah, that's where I wanted it to go so that they could find it. You gonna be in it or no?
Who what?
Talking to the
Video.
camera. Oh. You want to report anything cool? Nope, it's fine.
Just pop in and say another good day of racing. Had fun. See you at the next track.
We had a pretty good turnout today. We both got 2 runs in. We both did pretty good. Mine was a 2/10 off, somewhere around there. Yours was like
That's second off.
almost a second off. We think that maybe her car's getting hot and it's pulling timing. We won't know until we get to Medford, and I'll race it and just see what it does, just in case. But for the most part, other than clutch issues on my side, everything went pretty smooth. So we are going to get on the road. We have a 3.5 hour drive.
It's a 3.5 hour drive to the pit stop, and then about another 15 minutes. So
Yeah.
about 4 hours though.
Gonna be testing my air conditioning today. Hopefully it works. And some people had stopped by that had seen me on YouTube. I usually doing something and when people stop by, and unfortunately I have a ton of time to vote. But I did want to say that I appreciate you guys watching and stopping by and saying hi. It was really cool to have some people, say that they saw me somewhere and I have no idea who they are. It's a pretty cool feeling. So thanks again. And hopefully this video isn't too long, but there's a lot of footage to cover. All right, let's talk air conditioning. So we are stopping to get some diesel for that guy. And on the way here, while driving, I had air conditioning. It was amazing. It was really nice. Super glad I put air conditioning in the car. Unfortunately, when we got off the freeway, the engine was hot and everything else was hot, and I had to turn the AC off. The oil temperature got up to 240, which is not optimal. It's not like danger zone, but it's not like happy zone. So we're gonna sit here while they pump gas and let it cool off. I'm gonna do this with my knee. Okay, bye.
It is day. Look at my butt chin. Oh my god. I gotta wait till I get better lighting. Day 4, driving from Woodburn back to Medford where we started. I just want to say that I am freaking tired, man. I'm very tired and very sleepy. But I could not imagine being the guys that actually have to work on their car after racing or on the side of the road to get everything up and running, because I just kind of get in mine and go. So I'm pretty fortunate. So I could not imagine how they're feeling, but I'm ready for a long sleep and no more driving.
So I'm gonna cut this piece out of my tire. If you want to get a good look at that. I don't know if you can from that side, but somehow I got a slice. Yeah, it doesn't look so good. Just want to see how deep it is. Damn. Well, doesn't look like it's into the cords.
Is that from running over your wrench?
That's pretty damn close. Oh, really?
I stole Dad's joke.
Maybe. Hold on. That's the passenger side. Probably not, because the wrenches were on the driver's side. So, unlikely. But possible. Anyways, we're going to run it tomorrow, and if it blows up, then we know why.
Leg of the trip for the Nova. It'll get trailered home after this. Oh God, that scared the shit out of me.
Oh, fire! Yeah.